So I'm going to show you two things you can do to use Word to give feedback to students quite quickly that should reduce the email contact that you're having. First off, we're going to use the comments tool, and I've got an example of a piece of work here which has come through from a student and is a geography piece of work. But I'm just going to click here, and under comments I can add a new comment which adds a little icon here for boys to look at so they know where we are working. And here I can type something as well to respond to them. So I don't know, fantastic introduction to the research you have carried out. Could you have included a little more context or background to the area? And once I've done that, a little comment icon appears here, and you can start a conversation chain, so you can see that you've been marking and talking to each other. If I scroll down further, I can dictate comments. So I'm just going to put my font colour on. I can close this. I don't have to have the comment toolbar open all of the time. Remember, if I just scroll back up, you'll be able to see, to know that that's actually happened, I can click here. I can see that comment. So can the boys. They're alerted to it, particularly if you put at and their name. And then here, if I go to type, I can hit dictate. Overall, a very clear and comprehensive piece of work. I am pleased to see how much research you have carried out during today's lesson. Could you now consider adding some images to show the area and location? A little bit of tidying up, but you can see that actually I've managed to mark that piece of work quite quickly, and then I can hit share and send it straight back to the student by typing their name again. I hope that helps.